Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning to one and all. Welcome back to Unit 3, Lesson 3.2, Reading Works of Art by an article written by Abha Bhagwat about the bygones of the artist, renowned artist, Indian renowned artist, Syed Haider Raza, formerly known by more well renowned by the name Raza itself. He expired in the year 2016, 23rd July 2016 at the age of 94. That means Raza expired, death date 23rd July 2016, age 94. Syed Haider Raza's death date. So, he being a well-renowned personality, Raza was born in a village in Madhya Pradesh. He began to paint at the age of 12. He studied art at the Chitrakala Mahavidyalaya at Nagpur and then at JJ School of Art in Mumbai. Later he went to France to study art. After a few years, he decided to settle in France. His wife was French. He won many national and international awards. He was honored with all the three Padma awards. That means the Padma Shri Award, Padma Bhushan Award and the Padma Vibhushan Award. That means he got most of the national awards of India. Born in Madhya Pradesh, started his painting career at the age of 12, completed his final education in the JJ School of Art in Mumbai, went off to France, got married out there with a French lady. After obviously did some education in France itself, came back to India, became a well-renowned artist in India, getting the three Padma Award, the Padma Shri Award, the Padma Bhushan Award and the Padma Vibhushan Award, like we have the Nobel Prizes at the international level for various fields of education. Same way in India also we have awards at the national level for various different types of fields where he has been given the Padma Shri Award, the Padma Bhushan Award and the Padma Vibhushan Award. He, with all the awards and honor, his painting were exploring a spiritual, metaphysical path. Spiritual means heavenly abode, godly, God-fearing people like. And metaphysical path meaning the path where it is known as a branch of philosophy exploring the fundamental nature of reality. That means facing what are true, what is a fact, not fake, not fiction, not fantasy, not dream, not nightmare. Everything Syed Haider Raza did was all in a true path. Gradually, the bindu or point came to be the core, or core means main, important, vital in that way. He describes his work in these words: my work is my own inner experience and involvement with the mysteries of nature and form, which is expressed in color, line, space and light. That means in this one sentence of Abha Bhagwat, you can describe Syed Haider Raza as what type of a painter Syed Haider Raza was. He was a man of his own experience, his own inner feelings, his own emotions, expressions, feelings which came to his mind, bringing it out through vibrant colors, with bright colors, and most commonly he used the point, or he has given the Hindi word bindu, which is known as a point in English, and wherever you find his drawing or paintings, in that case you will find that bindu or point in the as the main part or the main core or the vital entry towards the painting of Sayyid Haider Raza. Sometimes an artist's thoughts appear to be complex. Complex means complicated. Complex means complicated, or even much more, and even complicated when they are expressed through words. Obviously, when people try to make you, the common people, understand something what they are unable to understand through words, through theory, then what it is, the other option is you have to explain it through practical work. Like today's students, today the world of student is visualizing things. That means what you show them, what you teach them through the e-learning process, through the electronic media process, through the what we are doing at present. We are using the electronic media, we are using YouTube, and we are showing you everything on the YouTube itself, and we are putting it in theoretical as well as it in a practical manner, because today students or children are of both, not only audio but video also. They would rather see something and believe it, like you have seeing is believing, rather that we people were doing in the earlier days, 20-30 years before. We were reading things, then visualizing it, things in our own mind, and then getting it out that it was true or false later out through various reference of books. But today everything is electronized. That means it is already available through the e-learning method. Various publications are giving a good amount of CDs, giving up different types of PDF, different types of link which are available on the internet. Apart from that, many schools are doing such type of practical work, good deeds, to let every child, depending on what type of syllabus he or she is reflecting or requiring in that way, so that they can use the net at hand, using the internet, using the e-media, using the electronic process, and using the technology where we people, or today the children of today, are using to understand everything. They are willing to use different types of games. Instead of game, if they view such type of videos, they'll understand the lesson much better, because they are seeing and believing. They do not believe in what they are not seeing. They say, no, this is all fake, this is all false, this is all untrue, this is all just a dream. So they won't believe in things what are in theoretical form unless and until you show it to them in practical. And same way Raza has done it through his paintings, because difficult to express through words, it is easy to express through paintings, through visualizing things, through your videos in that manner. His paintings are very expressive. Obviously expressive means explain, very well versed in that way. This great artist passed away, expired. Passed away means expired, left the worldly affairs and went aboard on 23rd July 2016 at the age of 94, which I have written on the board itself. Leaving behind a legacy. Legacy means legendary. Legacy means legendary of sensitive painting. Sensitive means achieved through extraordinary compositions of lines and colors. Sensitive means where things can be understood with pure meanings that depict extraordinary color and combination with great composition. That means a great mixture of different colors, so that people can understand it in a better manner. That was all about Sayyid Haider Raza, who's gone aboard in the year 2016 at the ripe age of 94. Now we move ahead with various forms of art which are found in different states, different regions of India and out of India also. Not that no. Now we move on with the first form, that is your Gond art. Obviously the Gond art is found with the Gond tribes. Gond art is a tribal art. It has been developed and preserved by the Gond tribal people residing largely in the state of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha state of India. That means there are 5 such states where you can find these tribal people, these nomadic people, these nomads who move from place to place for their food, clothing and shelter. Through their art, they do the working. From the traditional trade, tales and mythology. Tales, story, mythology, epics. From the traditional trade, tales and mythology, we learn that they have lived in India for thousands of years, even before other inhabitants. Inhabitant means people, human beings, common man came here. The Gondi language is similar to Telugu or Dravidian language. That means this language was followed by the Karnataka people even today, where the Telugu language is followed on a large scale basis. Gond art has spread mainly in central India. Originally, people used to draw pictures on the earthen walls of their houses. Most folk art involved in natural techniques of preparing colors and use of several mediums. They are transferred from generation to generation in a smoothly flowing process. Gond art is no exception in this case. A house decorated with beautiful pictures created a pleasant atmosphere. Also, art is a medium of recording and preserving what is seen. That means Gond art is that type of art. You can see what is given on page number 64. It is Gond art where nature and the animals are also depicted or shown. And through this also the tribal people showed what message they would like to give to the common man, to the public, in the preserving and recording of their works in future years to come. Any questions? Any doubts? Any queries? Please ask me as and when you require after seeing the complete video. In folk art means again the common man's movement, the public in working, who keep roaming about, who keep moving about, who keep spreading or working like tribal people or the nomadic people or the Maasais, the Aborigines of different countries, different states. In this way, you yourself prepare the canvas. Canvas is a piece of paper or piece of cloth or a piece on the ground itself. The surface on which to draw and color with which you draw. That is why creating folk art is a very enriching experience. This richness is reflected in the choice of their medium. In the days of past, several things in nature such as soil of different shades, that means what was used to paint on different types of canvas, especially they use the earth itself. You opened up a ground, they cut off everything, cleaned up the ground and then did the different types of painting. You may have seen cave painting, wall paintings. All these were done by the different type of tribal people. And they use what? What did they use? They use soil of different shades, different color. Then they use juice of plant. That means obviously there are plants where we make colors from, and such type of plants they crushed the plant out, took the juice out and made colors of that. Leaves, tree barks, flowers, fruits and even things like coal and cow dung were used to prepare color. That means all these things were different modes for making color. The different colors, various texture and pattern were used in years and years to come. That means apart from these natural colors, remember these are all colors made from nature, and nature or natural colors are best colors for painting any form of painting done on canvas or on the walls of the caves or cave paintings, or you can just put it on walls or on glass in that way. If you look at the figure on page number 65, you can see using various styles in painting, users wearing various forms of painting. You can see that the painting on page number 65 shows you simplicity of art, just showing you simple painting done by the tribal people all over India and around. Lending a simplicity to the art. When we see these pictures, we realize that a picture drawn this way or the other can look equally beautiful. What a deep thought this art conveys, and so easily. Conveys means says or sends a message to or tells something. Conveys means to say something or to speak out something or talk to people in such a manner. By just looking at the picture, by just looking at the painting, we people can understand a lot of things through painting. I just told you earlier that people first were audio, where only radio was available and books were available for people to hear everything, but they could not see the thing. But today we are in the e-media people, the electronic media people, the e-technology is being used, and today even now I am using the YouTube to express everything to you in a visualizing manner so that you understand it in a particular manner. Seeing is believing. Simplicity is in that manner. What you see, you believe. What you don't see, you say it is false, it is untrue, it is fake, it is just a fantasy, it is just fiction, it may be just a nightmare. So seeing is believing is what we got to move about, because today the students are of the visualized people, video people, looking at pictures and depicting things by themselves. Even though there are ample amount of different media, you have your print media doing everything in a writing manner. In the Gond art style, we see that the outline may vary a little from artist to artist, but the design that fill it make the whole picture look lively and attractive. Obviously, every artist has his or her own style of painting. Only it may vary in slightly in different forms of it, different colors of it, different depictions of it, different ideas of it, different opinions of it in that manner. The designs include simple texture, achieving good using dots, using straight lines, using dotted lines, curvy shapes, circles. Special attention is given to the choice of various colors so that the total effecting is amazing and beautiful. Obviously, when you want to make something really attractive, you have to put it to the best of your own talent, your own working, your own understanding. Last paragraph of the same lesson. In today's age of commercialization, business, trade, where everything can work with cash, hard money. But the root of folk art probably lies in the women's daily cause. That means the lady of the house, the mother of the house, she deserves a clap, she deserves to be praised, she deserves to be applauded. She deserves to be respected because she is the person who does everything of the house. See what's written out here about a lady, like cleaning and decorating the houses, dealing with natural colors in the course of cooking and in their leisure time of activity. Obviously, cooking, you must know every spice, every color, every nook, every corner, every taste of that particular food the children are going to eat. And who does that work? Only the lady of the house. That is your own mother. That means mothers must be respected more than anybody else, because mothers are the creation, are the origin, are the originals of different forms of art, because they do everything within the 8 by 10 room, that is your kitchen, and they do everything in their daily course, daily work, daily routine. doing the cleaning up, doing the decorating up, doing the cleansing work, doing the washing up, they're looking at the marketing work, looking at the business, looking at the trade, looking at the transaction, looking at the monetary transaction, looking after the children, looking after the man of the house, looking after the parents of the house. Everything is done by the lady of the house. That is why the most important thing is lady of the house must be respected, must be given, must be reserved, must be possessive, must be protected, must be taken care of, and in such a way Sayyid Haider Raza has depicted, showing all the presence of his own art, his own culture through the lady of the house, where she has given everything to every common man in all the work in the kitchen itself. Any doubt, any query, any question not understood, please ask me. You can talk to me, you can chat with me through WhatsApp, through Telegram, or call me, give me a missed call also will do. But remember, what you do is you must give me your detail, that is your standard, your complete name, your standard division, roll number if you are from Hera, or if you are from any other school, or you are just a common man. You can ask me regarding this and I shall reply to you. But remember to subscribe, to share, to comment and like the video, that is more important. So most important, we are already available. We are available with you 24/7. The Herayans are always positive to help you, possessive to help you, protective to help you, and give you everything round the clock. Jazakallah wa ma alayna illa al bala.